Whoa guys, did you saw the mid-air stop that I go from flight to inbound, full stop, do a turn, 90-degree turn, go back again and go full to outbound? Did you saw that? That was really awesome. And it just took me 10 years to reach to this point. Amazing. But I couldn't do this all alone. I needed some special friends to do this, and I met a lot of friends during this journey for almost 10 years. But for this project, I want to give a special kudos to Siggy, to Marco, and to Thomas. They have been a great help, and this is also our project team. So let me start introducing Siggy first. Siggy is the owner of RC Jetprint. We met each other in Friedrichshafen in 2018, and he got a big passion for the Harrier as well, especially for the Sea Harrier. Oh boy, and Siggy, we had so many discussions. We had fun together. We met a couple of times in the Netherlands because Siggy is from Germany, pronounced as Andrea Sick. And well, we did a lot of discussions during the night, iterations on designs, 3D printing. It was a fun journey. Another amazing person I want to introduce is Marco van der Velde. He's from the club BVL in Steenbergen from the Netherlands, and this guy is a rock. This guy can fly, he can build, and he's challenging me a lot. And I have to say, I really respect that, what you are doing to help me push this Harrier to the boundaries. Marco is a really great support for this project team, and I cannot wait what we're going to do more in the future. So Marco, buddy, if you are watching, thank you, man. You're awesome. Another great support is Thomas. He's from my village, and he loves working with me. We are building the airplanes, what comes out of the printers from Bamboo Lab, and he really enjoys helping me building this and pushing out, producing this projects every week, and this is really awesome. He's been a great support, still is, and hopefully we're going to do a lot more because we have so many new VTOL projects in mind that we're going to do. So Thomas, if you're watching, thank you so much. And for last, we got also my family that I have to be thankful. They are really supportive. They've been also a great help. And also my daughter Julia likes to work with me in the shop. And how can it get better? Well, this project is not that cheap, but I'm really happy with my sponsors. So one of them, or I'm going to mention them all, PCBWay, Char Servo for really lightweight servos. We got ColorFab for the ASA lightweight filaments, which is brilliant for this kind of projects. I'm super proud of Secure ESC, which is our new brand for ESCs, and those ESCs are really powerful. And save the best for last. Well, we'll save the best for last. We got also our JP EDFs and Turbines RC. Florent, you are awesome. And you guys who are supporting me on Patreon. Without you, I couldn't do this project. It's really hard to do this because these projects are really expensive, especially if you're doing it for almost 10 years. Oh boy, I'm still enjoying this moment that I can finally tell you that we have a true transitioning Harrier. Also with a fuselage, it's scale, closer scale. And we did a lot of improvements compared to the 90mm version. This 105mm version, yeah, it's nothing to compare with version 1. It's totally redesigned, a lot of new iterations designed. And to make this really happen, we need to do a lot of concessions. We choose for a not retractable landing gear for the first time. We choose to make the EDFs visible, so for 2x40 in the wings, 2x50 in the front and the back. And we got our scale working Pegasus ducting, which is driven by 2 servos. So there is still lots of room of improvement, but please give us some time. So let's do a short walk around and explanation how this model works. So we got the Sea Harrier. We will also do the AV8B Harrier later, but now we have this one. So how does it work? So for hover, we got the 50 in front, 50 in back, 40s for rolling differential. For yaw momentum, we're going to turn the small EDFs. We got our Pegasus ducting with actually rotating nozzles. Our fixed landing gear, which performs quite good. So what can we tell more? So this is our battery tray. Here we're going to install the batteries. Easy removal by removing this screw. And you can take off the wings for easy transportation. The canopy, just joined by two simple magnets for the LiPo, for the stabilization system. So this all works quite well. So the beating heart, what is inside of this Pegasus module, is a 105mm JP EDF. But we have an 8S EDF, this is a 12S EDF. So we're running this model on 9S cells from Stefan LiPo shop. 65 Cs with 4000 milliamps. The 105 is driven by a secure ESC. We are now using the secure 14200, 200 amps, but I'm going to try to save a little bit weight, the brand new 14130, which looks really awesome and is also super lightweight. All the control surfaces are driven by charge servo, the DS09 and the DS06, and it's quite handy to have these because these are performance servo. They are lightweight and they are really powerful. Amazing. And save the best for last, we got also the Stefan LiPo shop. This is a 4500 8S setup, but I love to fly it with the cold weather on a 9S setup because we got high voltage for fast climbing. The stabilization is all X-Fly. These are super nice and they are quite powerful as well. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. The weight, by the way, is, let me check the weight. Here we go. It's 4110 grams. Okay guys, as promised, we're going to launch one more video for the end of the video. This is the cool one because we did a lot of slow bypass, fast bypass, also the vertical takeoff like I mentioned. And maybe for the next time I will show you some crash compilations because this model is actually number 6 and we crashed like 4 or 5 of them. But this is for later, so to make sure to hit that notification bell for new videos. And I'm going to show you guys some crash compilation videos with the Harrier. There are some quite spectacular crashes. It even costed me a couple of the JP105s. Full throttle into a wall, crazy stuff, short outbounds that it flipped over, dropped out of the air. It's been a really hard journey. So if you consider to support us on Patreon, that would be super, super nice to support me, that I can buy some more of these EDF units. And we can go also, our plans is to go bigger. So guys, here's the final video. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy. Bye-bye. Wow. Cool. Wow, dat is vet.
Ja, hij doet het goed.
Hij doet het echt goed. Oké, dan gaan we voor de inbound. Wauw. Wauw, wat een ding zeg.
40 seconds.
Hij vliegt lekker. Dat was vet. Dat was vet. Dat was vet. Heel vet. Oh, hij vliegt goed.